Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel, and today I'm going to walk you through how to sign into your Skrill account online, that is the website, in 2025. So let's get started. The first thing you need to do is put in the website, which is skrill.com. So once you are in, next step you're gonna take, it will take you to this page. This is where I am now, and next thing you're going to do, okay, it has gone back, so let's go back to it. So the next thing you're going to do is click on the profile icon at the top right corner, click on login. And next thing you're going to do is put in your email and your password. So in this case, mine is saved, and the next thing you click on login, or it will log in itself, it depends. So it has done itself. So that's it. That is how to sign out or sign in, actually. That has to sign in to Skrill account using the website in 2025. Hope you found the video helpful. Do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more.